to God and give us your house, and we'll make that the museum. And then you give us $100,000 to keep the thing going. So something happened.
No.
Couldn't figure out what in the Samuel this little room was. And do you know, this is the room where we were sleeping the night that we had to get up the next morning and leave because there was a stove right there, burning all night, unvented. It's a wonder it didn't kill us. Well, I wish I. You know, I've got all the pictures, slides of this place, inside and outside, when we first moved here.
It's not for you.
But we can't do that today. They're all inside.
What is the source of that picture?
What?
What is the source of that picture?
My friend, citizen departed right here, and if they didn't know Joe, they'd go right back out that way. But if they knew Joe, they'd go through the door and visit with the family, and that was it. But isn't that something?
No. What, was that a common thing in this era?
There weren't
Or
any
at
funerals.
one time was this a funeral home?
Oh, no,
No.
this was common.
This was common.
When
Well,
I
you
was
didn't
a
have a
young-
funeral
When
home
I was
back
a
then.
young
My
man,
grandfather-
only that, 12 years, boy. 12 years.
Three, one for 3 years.
Connie's wife got this.
Hmm?
Spare.
She shot the bear?
Mm-hmm.
So each
And,
one of those
you
is
see
for
the
3
moose?
years?
Yeah.
Also
3 years.
that.
Huh.
Yeah, yeah, they haven't changed any. And then there's another one in
That's a
here.
big one, isn't it?
And this,
Lights.
can you imagine wearing that under this and going around shooting folks and doing that? But
In August.
Yeah. He was talking about this quilt, and I missed it. Something about Canada. Did you get everything you sent out that one? He was talking about this quilt.
World War I.
Oh, there's
It's just another room,
You remember
like
that
this
door.
and this.
You remember that door, right at the top. It goes into the other area. And the 2 bedrooms have closet you can go in and go and do this and go into the other rooms.
I remember that.
Yeah, I remember it. They connect.
I
You don't remember these?
Where was you at? I was in the 3rd grade. I mean, I was in the 3rd grade, we lived up there, and I remember maybe walking
You
the
go in
streets
one
the
closet and you
meadows,
could just
but
inch your
you
way
would
all
be
the way
like
into
ever
the
get
other,
there.
come in the other room.
You did like 5.
People's bodies.
You don't remember
Going the
that?
wrong way.
What's in there? Attic?
There's just a whole compartment room back in there. You got the duck wall. You can go in there and come out in the other room. Can't you?
no.
You can't?
No.
It's
But
real
that-
narrow.
Yeah, oh yeah, we won't even go in there because those are closets and they're this wide, they're narrow, yeah. But you can, but Sweetie has her clothes in there and shoes and.
But it doesn't connect. You don't go into the other room.
She's been out.
And this is her electric sewing machine. Which one did you think the lady used?
Oh, yeah, she did. Look at the clocks in here. It'd take you forever to do the clocks.
Like Morgan's on there. Yeah, she does kind of look like a little bit, doesn't she?
Stay warm and nice. Is there a lot of draft in your house?
Now,
Oops, I'm sorry.
I might have an old press.
you know what, we like books.
I might. I'm
It's
gonna
good.
get copies from me.
Here's a nice room. Now this chair was here. This was here. This was here. And if you want to know about Athens County, all those books are on Athens County. And somebody was saying something about Colonel,
Dick was probably talking about a colonel. Colonel Dean.
yeah, 1813. Carpenter.
Is that the Harris history?
This is Walker's.
Walker's history, okay.
They didn't go on through. No.
My favorite is the sun guy.
Any questions? Where's the lady that likes clocks?
Would you have any idea what the square footage turns out to be?
I was looking at all your books.
Would you have any idea what the total square footage turns out to be for the whole house?
This is whatever it is.
It's a lot.
I know one thing, when you try to carpet something like this, and
You've been here.
the roof, when we came, the roof leaked. And you know, on a,
You probably don't recognize that.
so on the way down, you can,
Yeah, on job applications that require you to use one, I have to
Really?
know what time.
They still have those
That's a very
Yeah, and they
convenient,
say it must be typed.
it's a very convenient attic, isn't it?
yes.
Jim, here's the room you was talking about.
I just want to get a picture here.
This was Jim's favorite place.
You can look in there, but you can't crawl in there, boy.
There's more space in there than I thought.
I did all that,
Ceiling?
Is that particle board?
particle board up there, yeah.
What's that?
Stamps? Civil War stamps? Right behind Dick?
Well, we're debating whether we even accept it.
Well, you have plenty, probably. If they don't.
Can we go now?
You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside?
Box you have back there.
Yeah.
I had about 25.
This idea was to have storage area like that.
Stars? 8 by 6 by 6.
Yeah, I saw it. I looked at it. I know it's from.